many Americans could soon see a pleasant surprise in their bank accounts due to retroactive tax changes under President Donald Trump. Big, beautiful bill. Millions of taxpayers are projected to receive larger refunds when they file their 2025 returns in early 2026. Analysts say the combination of new deductions, unchanged IRS withholding tables, and targeted tax relief could result in one of the most generous refund seasons in recent history. Why bigger refunds are on the way? The legislation passed in July introduced several tax breaks for 2025, including an expanded standard deduction, a bonus deduction for seniors, and new relief on tipped income. Because the IRS has not yet updated its 2025 tax withholding tables, many workers are still paying taxes at the same rate as before the bill's passage, effectively overpaying throughout the year. As a result, many taxpayers will pay too much in tax this year and see larger tax refunds or smaller tax bills next year. Nancy Vanden Houten, lead economist at Oxford Economics, wrote in an October report, as reported by CNBC. Michael Ryan, founder of Michael Ryan Money.com, told Newsweek, "We are getting bigger refunds in 2026 because we're overpaying in 2025. The IRS decided not to adjust withholding tables this year, even though OBBBA's tax cuts are retroactive to January 1, 2025. So workers are paying 2024 tax rates on income that will be taxed at lower 2025 rates when they file next spring. It is political theater to make everyone feel better next April." Analysts expect this mismatch between withholding and new tax rates to drive a spike in refund amounts. A report from Piper Sandler predicts a record tax refund season in 2026, estimating $91 billion in tax relief between February and April, $59 billion from refunds, and $32 billion from lower taxes owed. Another analysis from J.P. Morgan Asset Management echoed the same outlook, attributing higher refunds to unchanged withholding tables. W-2 workers, who typically have little control over their paycheck withholdings, are especially likely to benefit. At the same time, many families are facing broader economic challenges, from an ongoing government shutdown to uncertainty over funding for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Surveys show that most taxpayers still plan to use refunds for essentials like rent, groceries, and credit card payments, while higher earners are expected to save or invest their refund windfalls.